The beauty of fly fishing the rivers, creeks, and streams of the Sierra Nevada mountains that run through California and Nevada happen the moment one hits the water.
Oh yeah, fly fishing, baby, love it.
Look at that. This is why we love it. Let's have a look at the beautiful colors on that.
All right, I'm putting them in the water.
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Ah, beauty.
Okay.
Let's let him go now.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Okay, he's out.
What a score.
Okay.
Fly fishing in the Sierras.
Ooh, dude, stay.
You see it in the many gorgeous trees that dot the terrain. You feel it when you give that perfect cast. And you feel it when that perfect cast pays off.
Yeah, this is why we fly fish, baby. Look at the colors on it.
Let's have a look at that pupper. Okay, beautiful fish.
You see the beauty in the Sierra wildflowers. The beauty is in a small wild trout on a small mountain creek.
I'm bummed I'm ruining this water because I think there's more right here. Nice, little dude.
Nice.
It's in those days that you get to spend with good friends and enjoy great views of the Sierra Nevada mountains and its many splendid waterways.
Nice one, BJ. Nice one. Yeah. Nice one. Woo! Look at that.
Beauty.
Nice fish. I want to maintain social distance here. Woohoo! Yeah. Toward the solid rainbow. Look at that. Nice size. Woohoo! Nice fish. What a score. Woohoo! Gotta let him go now. Look at that beautiful trout. Time to let it go. Woohoo! Woo.